In the part 2 of 7 C's of communication. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings between a sender and receiver. This is the basic meaning, concept, introduction of communication that we all know. But by following 7 C's, here I have mentioned a small introduction of the communication. Effective communication helps avoid misunderstandings and improves learning, teamwork, and professional relationship. In the 7 C's of communication, first we have completeness. The message should be contain all the necessary information so that the receiver can understand properly. For example, the meeting will be held on 2nd February 2026 at 10 am in room number 24. In this example of the completeness, you have seen one thing. Here I have mentioned each and every point as for the receiver. If receiver want to know in which room, at what time, and whatever the date will be. So here I have mentioned each and every information. Note, all detail is mentioned in this statement. Next we have conciseness. Use only required words, statements, avoid unnecessary repetitions and lengthy explanation. Example, at this point in time I would like to inform you. ये आपने देखा कि मैंने रॉन्ग का साइन लगाया हुआ है, मतलब इतना अननेसेसरी स्टफ करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्या बोलना है? आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू. नीट एंड क्लीन एंड द सिंपल लाइन इज रिक्वायर्ड. बेनिफिट्स, सेव टाइम्स without any glitch of words, communication more clear. Next we have consideration. Consideration means keeping the receiver's needs, feelings, knowledge and background in mind while conversation. For example, I understand your difficulty. Next, let's make teamwork. Next, we will together solve the problem. What are the advantages of the consideration? Build good relationship, encourage cooperation, creates positive behavior. Clarity, the second C's of 7 C's. Second, it's mean in the next C of communication. Presenting ideas or any statement one by one. Do not merge 2-3 statements together. One idea, message, statement should present at one time by using simple and appropriate language. Message should be prepared by using simple words. Avoid ambiguity. Ambiguity matlab not clear. Ideas should be present logically. Logically means by following sequence, by following hierarchy and so on. For example, submit your report by Monday 8 am. I hope you are getting understand कि किस तरीके से examples I have used over here and what you are getting understand by the statement along with the examples. What are the benefits of clarity? Reduce misunderstanding, reduce confusion, increase effectiveness. Correctness, by using only specific facts, figures, tables, graphs and examples instead of using whole map, so only the required area which you exact want to show. In any message, accurate information is required. Use of evidence and statistic data. General point of view not necessary. General point of view not necessary say do not get confused. Here I want to clarify one thing. There are nowadays usually we ask what is your point of view. जनरल आइडियाज़ की अगर बात करें तो वो कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकते हैं या जो एक फिक्स्ड एंड फंडामेंटल है वही है. बट as per the situation it changed. Specific situation point of view get changed. तो यहाँ पे जनरल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का मतलब है कि बहुत सारी बातें नहीं, इन जनरल जो होता है वो नहीं, जो एग्जैक्ट हुआ है उसकी बात की जा रही है। तो वैसे ही नीट एंड क्लीन स्टैट्स डेटा के हिसाब से एविडेंस देना है और एविडेंस के साथ करेक्टनेस, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड। आई होप यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ होगा आप लोगों को। एग्जाम्पल से समझिए, एक एग्जाम्पल जो शायद रिलेटेबल हो हर किसी के साथ। whenever for any form fill up, it is mentioned there exact the date, timing. Always you have seen dates are mentioned and timing as well are mentioned. Examination window for fill up the form, time 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Students are having minimum 50% attendance are allowed to fill the form. Benefits: support decision making, data shows करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन। क्या इस मैसेज को पढ़ने के बाद आप किसी से पूछने जाएंगे कि क्या टाइमिंग है, कब तक कर सकते हैं, कौन कर सकता है? एवरीथिंग इज प्रॉपरली मेंशन देयर विद द करेक्ट डेटा। नेक्स्ट वी हैव कर्टसी, बीइंग रिस्पेक्टफुल while communicating, polite and considerate during communication, use polite language, words, appreciate others' ideas, suggestions, avoid offensive words. Example: being thankful for anyone's effort. Advantages: develop mutual understanding, strengthens reputation, promotes teamwork. Last C's of 7 C's. Correctness. Grammatical correct. Sentence should be used while communicating. Spelling and facts should be correct. Correct grammars, spellings, appropriate vocabulary, facts, information, data, sentence structure. For example, the examination begins at 9 a.m. Advantages are there: create a professional image, it looks totally formal, enhance quality of work. Now we am concluding this 7 C's of communication. 7 C's of communication are the foundation of effective communication, whether in school, college, business or professional life. By following these principles, ensuring the 7 C's helps everyone become confident speaker, better writer and successful professionals. So these are the 7 C's with the small meaning and the conclusion. I hope this video helps you a lot, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching this video.